I've been trying to add new products to my store along the way, and it goes kind of slow sometimes because I like to try things out for quite a while, make sure they're good before I add them. Same thing with TIG gloves. I've got some now that I really like. I've had several samples sent to me. Some of them were just okay. Some of them were not very good at all. But these were the clear, very clear winners out of all the samples that were sent to me. I've welded with the sample version of these for several weeks. One thing I like about them is they don't have a seam right there on the palm. And why I say that is because one sample that was sent to me by another vendor, the seam just busted out as soon as I put the glove on. That's no good. I don't want people spending their hard-earned money on junk. But I've tried these, the sample version, for several weeks, and I like them. I feel like they're a good value. They'll hold up. They feel really good. They're really comfortable. They're nice and soft. You can feel the wire.